There are many benefits of having vinyl siding on your home. It looks great and it protects your house from weather elements. There's of course that one incident where your son or your wife backs up into siding and then you have a crack in the siding. And today we'll show you how to fix it. For this project, I went out to a local hardware store, picked up a corner post and a couple pieces of siding with a matching color. Tools for the job, we'll need hammer, snips, siding tool, knife, and a couple nails. And we also will need a ladder to get to the top of the corner post. Corner posts are more complicated to replace than the siding piece because it ties in both sides together. To do that, we have to remove the top panel with a siding tool. And after that, just work our way down with a hammer by pulling the nails down from the panels and work our way down to the starter. When we get to the damaged panel, it's a full 12-foot panel. You don't have to remove the full panel. We'll make a cut with our 10 snips and just trace the new piece in place. When we cut the piece off, we'll have to replicate the factory starter lip. To do that, we'll have to cut the siding lip and nailing strip and go about 1.5 inches from the edge. And we'll have to do this on both sides of the post. Now that we have everything down, we'll start by installing new corner posts. And to do that, we'll trace the old corner post to make sure the size fits the same. Once the new corner post is attached to the side of the building, it's time to put the new siding back up. When you cut your new piece to replace the damaged one, start from the factory edge. That way you can hide the cut with the new piece. When you're nailing the siding back up, you want to make sure you're nailing siding every 16 inches and you're not nailing it too tight because siding has to move. And that's when siding tool come in handy. That'll help you to pull on the lock and lock the piece in place. We'll continue this pattern all the way up until we get to the last panel. There's going to be a last piece of siding that will have to be nailed by a trim nail. Now your home is beautiful and watertight again. But if someone hits it with a car once more and you don't want to deal with the headache, you can go ahead and give AVA a call.
AVA has provided customers from all over Western New York with superior service and value. AVA Roofing and Siding, because every dollar saved counts.